Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will cover an easy way on how to enter same data in multiple cells in Excel. This helps a lot, especially if some of the cells are not adjacent to each other, since you cannot use the autofill feature in Excel. So let's get started. We will use this particular data set of quarterly sales report of JD Company Limited for the year 2021. Here we have the list of customers of JD Company Limited. In column B, which we are going to work on, we have the sales representatives. So, for the purpose of this tutorial, these employees will be our customers' sales representatives, and each of them will have two or more customers which they represent. With that said, let me show you how to go about it. So the first step, you're supposed to select the cells you want to fill in with the same data. So how you go about this, you're supposed to select the cells as you press the control key on your keyboard. Okay, go selecting. Then once you're done, release the control key, okay? And in the last cell that you selected, type in. So Andrew will be the representative of the particular customers or the particular cells that you've selected. Then once you're done typing, press the control key and enter at the same time. There you go. So you can see for each cell that we selected, we have Andrew as the sales representative. So let's pick our next sales representative who is Stella. Again, you follow the same step. Select the cells, the multiple cells that you want to fill in with the same data. Okay, as you press the control key on your keyboard. Once you're done, release the control key, and in the last cell you selected, type in Stella. Once you're done typing, press the control key and enter at the same time. There you go. So next sales rep is Jeff. Again, select the cells as you press the control key. Once you're done, release the control key and type Jeff. Then press control and enter at the same time. It's as easy as that. So let's finish with our sales representative, who is Anita. Select the cells as you press the control key. Once you're done, release the control key and type Anita. Then again, press control and enter at the same time. So it's as easy as that. So that's our today's tutorial. If you find this tutorial quite helpful, kindly remember to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below, like, share, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Bye.